Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this video, we are going to discuss about inverse proportion. Students, in the previous video, we have studied about the direct proportions and we have seen many examples on it. Isn't it? In this video, we are going to discuss about inverse proportion and as well as some problems on inverse proportional. So, what is meant by inverse proportional? Yes, that is exactly opposite to direct proportional. So what is there? If one quantity increases with other quantity, that is, they both are depend on each other. Isn't it? Yes. But here, the when one value or one quantity is increases, then the other quantity will be decreases. If suppose one quantity will decrease and other quantity will increases. So we are not getting. Yes, so I will give you one example, that is, if two men or two people will take 10 days to construct one room. Are you getting my point? Two people will take 10 days to construct one room. If how many days they will take, that is where the 10 people will take, that is how many days the 10 people will take to construct same room. Are you getting my point? If two people will take 10 days to construct one room, then how many days are taken by the 10 people to construct same room? Sir, as well as, sir, we know that is approximately 2 days. Here, see here, less members, more days. More members, less days. Like that, as this increases, as the people increases, the days will be decreasing. Are you getting my point? Here the people are, as the people are increasing, the days are decreasing. These are the two quantities. Let's say these are the x and these are the y. Here the people are increasing as well as the days are decreasing. So still we are not getting. Yes, by giving more examples on it, you will get clear idea on it. Students, we have know that is, we have studied that is the direct proportional formula is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. But the formula for inverse proportional is x1 into x2, x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. This is the formula, students. What's the formula for inverse proportional? x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Okay, let's see some examples on inverse proportion. And the first example we have, six pipes are required. Six pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. How long it will take? How long it take if only 5 pipes of same type are used. Of same type are used. See, students, first concentrate the question. 6 pipes are required to fill a tank. See here, suppose this is a tank and here the 6 pipes. First pipe, second, third, fourth, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 1 hour 20 minutes. The 6 pipe need bitter sir. So 1 hour 20 minutes it will take to fill up. Okay, and our question is that is, if how long it take if only 5 pipes are used at same time? Here we have to remove one pipe. That means total 5 pipes are there. Sir, then how long it takes? That means how much time it will take to fill up this tank by 5 pipes. We know that is 6 pipe ತುಂಬಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 pipe use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sir it will take 1 hour 20 minutes. Then how much time it will take by 5 pipes to fill the tank? That one we have to find out. Okay, just make the table like direct proportional problem. Solution: number of pipes, students, and time taken. Isn't it? See here. Let's take time taken in minutes. Let's take time in minutes. Just write down the given data, what he has given. Number of pipes, sir, 6 pipes in first given data. The 6 pipes are present in the given data. Then how much time is taken by that 6 pipes? Sir, 1 hour 20 minutes. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 20 minutes is there. Totally 80 minutes. May I write 80 minutes here? Is it clear to you? See, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 20 minutes is, that is exactly 80 minutes. Then he is asking to find out how much it take, how long it take if 5 pipes are there. So number of pipes are 5. Then here we have to find out the time. How much minutes or how many minutes it will take to fill up the tank. Okay, this will be x and this will be y, and these are like x1, y1 and x2, y2. Is it clear to you? x1, x2, y1, y2. So here we are to apply the inverse proportional formula. That is x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2. That is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. See here, x1 and y1, substitute the values. That is x1 is 6 into y1 is 18 and the x2 is 5 and we don't know the value of y2. Isn't it, children? Yeah, then find out the value of y2. Then we will get 6 into 18 divided by 5 is equal to y2. Yeah. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Isn't it? Yes, students. Then y2 is equal to what's that? 16 into 6. 16 into 16. Let's calculate. Is it clear to you? Yes, very good, Bharat. That is 96 minutes. Now concentrate here. 80 minutes takes, or 80 minutes will taken by the 6 pipes and 96 minutes will taken by the 5 pipes. Concentrate here. Where, see here, here the pipes are decreasing. Here the pipes are decreasing, 6 to 5. Isn't it? But the time is increasing. That is one quantity. As the x value increases, the y value will be decreasing, students. That one we must concentrate. As the x value increases, then the y value will be decreases. That is called as inversely proportional, students. Is it clear to you? But in the direct proportional, what we have seen, as the x value increases, then the y value also increases. I mean increases, isn't it? But here, as the x value increases, the y value will be decreases. And one more thing we have to concentrate here, it's very important. X1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Just check it, children. X1 into y1. 6 into 18 is equal to 5 into 96. Calculate and write it, and calculate and write it. Whether x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2 or not, check it. Then only our answer will be correct. Okay? Eighteen into 6 is, sir, 8 6 is 48. 480. I don't know whether after multiplying also we will get 480, isn't it? Okay? Yeah. Then move to the next problem, children. Yes, 480 is equal to 480. Very good. Bharata and Rangaswamy, Vaishnavi and Padma and Margappa. Yes, 480 is equal to 480. That is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Yeah. Then the next problem. There are 100 students in a hostel. There are 100 students in a hostel. Food provision for them is being for 20 days. How long it will take? How long will this provision last? If 25 more students join the group. First, concentrate the question, students. What he has given? Number of students is there and food provision is there, isn't it? That is number of days. Number of students and number of days. Sir, still we are not understood the question. Yeah, I know. Concentrate here, students. What he has given? There are 100 students in a hostel. So 100 students hostel and food provision for them is for 20 days. 100 members are there and 100 students are there, and that food provision will be comfortable for only 20 days. Are you getting my point? Yeah. Then he is asking, how long will this provision last if 25 more students will join to the group? Sir, 100 members 20 days comfort. But sir, in 25 members ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, I mean 25 students ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, then how many days it will take, or how many days it will take to complete that food provision? Isn't it? That one we have to calculate. Okay? Yes. Here the number of students and number of days. The number of students is 100 and the number of days is 20. Concentrate here. The 100 students will comfortably eat for 20 days that food provision. isn't it? Yeah, this is the given data. And how long it will take the provision last if 25 more students are there? 25 more students means 125 students. There will be 125 students, isn't it? 100 plus 25 is 125 students, isn't it, children? Why I have written here 125? Because first sir 100 people, 100 students are there. At last we are joining 25 students. Then the total students will be 125. Then how many days to complete that food provision? That one we have to calculate. Same as it is, that is x1, x2, y1 and y2. This, let us consider this one as x and this one as y. Yes, someone giving us 16 days. Yeah. Let's check it. Okay. Which formula we have to apply? Sir, this one. x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Substitute the values. 100 into 20. 100 into 20 is equal to 125 into y2. Then y2 is equal to 100 into 20 divided by 125 is equal to y2. Okay, 25 fours are 25 fives are 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, and 5 is a 5, and 5 fours are 20. Then y2 is 16 days. Very good, that is 16 days. That means 125 children will eat comfortably only for 16 days. Now again concentrate here. As the x value increases, the y value is decreasing. See here, 100 to 125, x value is increasing. But here, 20 to 60, it is decreasing. Isn't it, students? That is called as inversely proportional. And also we can check x1 is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2 or not. 100 into 20 is 2000, and as well as 125 into 16 is also 2000. Let it check it once. Okay. Yes, very good, students. That is Padma, Vaishnavi, Rajat, Pragnameti and Rangaswamy Pujari. 16 days is the exactly correct answer. And let's move to the next question. And this is for you. So I will give you the table. Just you have to find out the values. Okay. If 15 workers can build if 15 workers can build a wall in 48 days, sorry, in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Number of workers he has given and number of hours also he has given. Isn't it, children? Sir, what he has given, still we are not understanding the question. See here, students, if the 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, so Godina 48 hours olaga 15 workers, 15 people, isn't it? They will build a wall in 48 hours, and he is asking that how many workers, we have to find how many workers will complete or how many workers will require complete the same wall, to build the same wall, to construct the same wall in 30 hours. Sir, substitute the values in that box. Let's see. The number of workers are 50 and the numbers, sorry, how many hours they will take to construct that wall? Sir, 48 hours. They will take 48 hours to complete that wall. Then again he is asking, what is that? Sir, how many workers? How many workers? We don't know. That is x2 because this is x1, this is x2. Okay, in 48 hours, in 30 hours. How many hours? In 30 hours. Now what we have to do, students? We have to find the value of x2. Okay, and some of them, some students are writing that like this. This is not the x2, this is x square. Just write below or type next to it. Okay, like that. This will be the correct one. x2 or x2. Otherwise, it becomes x square, y square, like that. Isn't it? Yeah. And find out the value of x2, students. And this is for you. Yes, Bharat. Oh, 24. So 24 workers. X2 is 24 hours. Yes. Next, can anyone? Simply we have to apply the formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. x1 value is 15 into 48 is equal to x2 value we don't know, value is y2 value is 30. Yes, now they are giving Margappa 24, Padnamiti 24, yes, Padma P, that is 24. Yes, very good, students. Let's set it here. Then the x2 value is 15 into 48 divided by 30 is equal to x2. 15 ones are 15 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. Exactly, students, that is x2 value is 24. What is that? x2? x2 is nothing but a number of workers. That is 24 workers are required to complete that wall in 30 hours. Isn't it? Very good. And Rajat and Rangaswamy, 24 hour is the correct answer. Yes, Sharad Chalwadi, very good. Yes, Vaishnavi V, question explain, sir, please. See here, what's there? 24, so that is 15 workers will build the one wall in 48 hours. Okay, then he is asking how many workers are required to complete that same wall in 30 hours. That one we have to complete. Applying the values given data in this equation, that is number of workers 15 and the number of hours will take 48 hours to construct that wall. And in the same as it is in the second one, how many workers we don't know, that is x2. And in how many hours we have to, they have to complete in 30 hours. That one we have to calculate by applying the formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Then we conclude that is 24 workers are required to complete or to construct that wall in 30 hours. Is it clear to you? Yes. And move to the next question, students. If a box of sweets, if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children. 24 children. They will get 5 sweets each. How many would each get? How many would each get? If the number of children is reduced by 4. If number of children is reduced by 4. Yeah. Number of students and as well as number of sweets. Concentrate children here. What he is asking that and what he has given. See, if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, okay, yeah. If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 sweets each. Sir, 24 children are antandre, sir, obrobri ಎಷ್ಟು sweets bartav sir? 5 sweets bartav. That is the first of question. Just write it. How many children? That is how many students? 24 children. And number of sweets, how many they will get? 5 sweets each. 5 sweets each. Then continue the question. How many would each get? That is, how many would each get if number of children is reduced by 4? Reduced means decreased. Reduced means decreased. See, the total number of children are 24. Then the children is reduced by 4. How many children? 20 children. Are you getting my point? Yes. How many children? That is 20 children. See, once again I will explain you. If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children and they will get 5 sweets each. Then again he is asking how many would each get? That is how many would each get antandre one children ge matta eshtu sweets bartave. If the number of children is reduced by 4. That is for 20 children, how many sweets will get each of them? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಸರ್. This is very easy. Understanding question is very important. Okay. Then what we have to find out, students, here? X1, X2, Y1, Y2. Y2 we must find out. That is, formula is X1, Y1 is equal to X2, Y2, students. X1 is 24 into 5 is equal to, here is 20 into Y2. Isn't it? Yeah. Then again concentrate here. 24 into 5 divided by 20 is equal to Y2. Then 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 ones are 4 6 are. Yes, that is 6 ones are 6. How many sweets they will get by each students when the number of children are 20? Sir, they will get 6 sweets each. Okay, sir, 24 children iddaga ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ 5 ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವು. If 20 children are there, then they will get 6 sweets each. Okay, then concentrate again. Here the X value is decreasing and the Y value is increasing. Isn't it, children? Yes, very good. And many of them are active in group, and I will appreciate you people. And Margappa, Sharada, very good. 6 sweets are very good answer and very accurate answer. And Bharat Raichur and Margappa, yes, and Rangaswamy. Very good, children. Okay, students, by this I will conclude my today's session, and thank you for being live and thank you for being active. And if any doubt, ask me in the comment section or else in the personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students, bye bye, and thank you for being live. Yes, Vaishnavi and all of them are giving their answers. Yes, Margappa, thank you. Okay, students, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Yes, very